Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create shapes in Python. First step is to pick the Import Turtle block from the Import section. After that we will be picking blocks from the Turtle section. The next will be the Turtle block. The next block will be the Screen block. Now we create two variables named sides and length in the variable s section. Now pick the variable blocks from the variables section. Pick int block from the statements section. Now pick the input the block and place it in the int block. Now head back to the sides block and insert the int block. Pick int block from the statements section. Now pick the input the block and place it in the int block. Now head back to the sides block and insert the length block. Add in a for loop from the loops section. Edit the for loop and enter sides. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section and place them in the for loop. We will add in two forward blocks. Enter length in the first forward block. Now toggle the second forward block to left. Head to the sides block and edit the text in the input block. Now for the length block, edit the text in the input block. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. Enter the number of sides. Enter the length of each side. The desired shape starts forming slowly. Similarly, you can use variables to create different designs, patterns, and shapes in Python.